You wake up, you check your phone, you get ready, you head to work or school, you come home, you scroll, you eat, you sleep. At first glance, nothing seems wrong with your routine. But here's the uncomfortable question. Is your lifestyle quietly making you lonely without you even realizing it? Loneliness is not always caused by dramatic events. Sometimes it's shaped by the tiny decisions you make every single day, the habits you repeat without thinking, the patterns you fall into because life is busy, predictable, and demanding. For many people, loneliness does not start with being physically alone. It starts with living a lifestyle that slowly removes the opportunities for real connection. One of the biggest factors is the digital-first lifestyle. Many of us spend more time in online spaces than in physical ones. Our conversations are short messages. Our social interactions are likes and reactions. These moments feel social, but they rarely build relationships. Over time, your brain adapts to quick digital hits of connection, while slowly losing tolerance for deeper, slower human conversations. Another factor is the efficiency lifestyle. Modern life rewards productivity. Many people structure their days around optimization: how to save time, how to reduce effort, how to get more done. Convenience is good, but convenience also removes the moments where connection naturally used to happen. You no longer chat with neighbors because groceries are delivered. You no longer meet coworkers for lunch because you eat quickly at your desk. You no longer talk to strangers because everything you want is available without interacting with anyone. A lifestyle built on avoiding friction also avoids connection. Then there is the self-sufficient lifestyle. Independence is celebrated today. Being able to handle everything alone is seen as a strength, but emotional isolation often hides behind that strength. When you rely only on yourself for everything, there is no space for others to step in. No space for support. No space for shared moments. Over time, independence can slowly turn into emotional distance, even if you never intended it. There is also the busyness lifestyle. When your schedule is full from morning to night, relationships become something you fit in instead of something you nurture. You start canceling plans. You start saying you're tired. You start postponing the check-ins you meant to make. And slowly, without meaning to, you drift away from the people who once grounded you. You may not feel lonely at first, but gradually, you realize your connections feel thinner. Your conversations feel shorter. Your days feel repetitive. You feel unseen, not because no one cares, but because your lifestyle leaves no room for connection to grow. The good news is that loneliness shaped by lifestyle can also be changed by lifestyle. You can choose to add small pockets of connection back into your day. You can choose to reach out intentionally instead of waiting for life to create the opportunity. You can choose to add a little friction back into your routine, moments where you let people in instead of rushing past them. And if you need help, our free toolkit can guide you with simple prompts, reflection exercises, and connection-building steps you can start today. You can find it on our Ko-Fi page. If this message resonates, let us know in the comments. What part of your lifestyle do you think affects your loneliness the most? Click like to show support. It means a lot to us, and it helps more people discover our community. Find your spark. Find your people.